So welcome back to another video today, and as you saw on the last video we uploaded a teardown about this little TV receiver. But we had another TV receiver which was just junk, and I do not know why we had two TV receivers, one bigger, one smaller. Maybe because this one broke, maybe? But this one is much more advanced. So you have a little USB port. You have an SD card slot. This thing. You have a display. Have buttons. You're greeted on the back with antenna in and out, VLC DVD card and TV card, and then it says caution risk of electric shock, do not open, but this was unplugged for years, I think, about at least 2 years. And I'm going to be taking it apart today, and let's see what's the inside. So I think what we'll need to remove first is, can you see right here? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then maybe this whole panel can come off. Let's take this apart and see what we can see. So I have taken out that panel, and right there I have put the screws for this panel. And I have taken it apart. You see this? Then it's display like screwed in here. We have a ribbon. Have this 400 volt capacitor, two 400 volt capacitors actually. And we have this little RF module which has a sticker with something on it. I don't know what that is. No, that thing is. We have this power supply board. And this was quite a nightmare taking out the screws, because I tried first with this and I couldn't very easily. Then I tried the electric screwdriver and it didn't work at all. Then I took the first screw out with the Phillips bits, but then the other, I tried the Phillips bit and I couldn't. So then I tried a flat bit, which is bigger than the one I'm using, and it worked for that screw. Then I tried the same on the next screw, but it didn't work. I got a smaller one and it worked, and then I used a smaller one for the others. So it was a bit of a nightmare. So what do we have here? We have a little DC plug. Comes in here. That's unplugged. We have this little ribbon, which I won't be able to disconnect. This is those nightmare ribbons. These are those that you just pull. These are the nightmare ribbons? Yeah, these are the nightmare ribbons. We have the display on here, but that has a load of pins. Let's take out the display and see what is the hell of that display. What does it have on the other side? I think it's just a 4-digit thing. So it is actually an 8-digit thing. Can you see that? It has 8888. And then you can see all of the pins. If you're interested, can focus. Right. There, I'll give you 10 seconds. So if you looked at that, saw what you wanted. See this? Want to read that number? Look at it now. And if you're interested in this, let me show you. If you know Chinese, tell me what that says, because I do not know what this thing says. I don't know what language that is. What language is that? No. If you're interested in the chips, give you a close-up. Trampec EM639165 TS, I mean. Let's just put a lot of light on this. And you can see they're the chips. See this chip? If you are interested. High voltage warning, it says that. And you have a little display of this transformer. If you're interested, take a picture of that. And if you're interested in this, take it out. But how does this thing, is it glued? I guess. I'll take that out and see what's inside there. There you are. If you wanted to know what's on the other side of the board, there's nothing. And there's a bit of glue gun there to protect something. Oh, the glue gun is just something that's drying off and it just comes off the board. There you have your board, if you want it. And now let's try and put this back together and see if I get another star of putting things back together. Hope so. Let's put it back together. Whew! That was nearly one more star for my destroy shop. You can see all the screws on the correct place. But can you see there? I was sitting on it because this wouldn't go inside here, which is where it should go. But I sat on it. Not very good. I sat on it to grab it, hold, and I put the. It's very, 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 very fun to sit on this. And then I screwed in, but now of course, we have that problem. But I hope you enjoyed the teardown, and I hope you really enjoyed it. And see you next time for another video.